Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today I'll be showing you my sleek bun routine. Please stay on the line and let's get right into the business of today. So I've just washed my hair and that means shrinkage. And to minimize the shrinkage and increase the length of my hair, I start by sectioning it into small parts, combing it out, starting from the tips because I don't want the tangled hair to lead to breakage. After sectioning, I go ahead and twist it, braid actually. I go ahead and braid it down. And while braiding, I'm making sure to stretch out my hair with my hand. This helps me to get the most length possible once I take out the braids. By the time you are done, this is what you'll get. I leave the braid like this for an hour or so. The goal is to stretch out my hair and make getting the sleek look easier. This braiding thing just works well for me. You can see that my hair is a bit stretched out, unlike the way it was when I just came out of the shower. I go in with my gel. I use got to be because it does the work and I think it's quite affordable. After applying the gel, I comb and then use my brush to slick it down. After slicking it down, I use my tie. I use shoelace because it's easier. It's long, and when I'm loosening it, it doesn't break my hair. Unlike relaxed hair, working with fussy hair can be a lot more stressful. One thing that has helped me is sectioning my hair into smaller parts. So for each part, I just apply some gel, comb it out, use my brush to slick it, and tie it down with my my shoelace. That's basically the whole thing. Just repeat the same process, take small portions, and work your way up till you get to the last part of your hair. One thing I always make sure to do is to comb it out very well to remove micro tangles, apply gel, and then slick it down. Slick it down. So when it comes to the front, you can go for a middle part, a one side part, or even a two side part. The options are plenty. But personally, I like to keep it simple with my middle part just because I think it suits me best and I love how it frames my face. To get a very straight middle part, make sure to use your gel, even if you're not that good. Apply some gel in the middle and pat again. You'll definitely get a very straight line or something very close. After that, I use my brush, my toothbrush that I'm not using again, to just rearrange and slick down the small hairs in front. Tied it down with my head scarf. And then this is the final look of the whole slick. I mean, it's not the final look, just a little gel, and then you might want to do your edges or just leave it straight like this, whichever one that you want. I think we are done. Either ways, this is the final look of your slick bun on your natural hair. I used this to wrap the end. That's after twisting it down. I just wrapped it around it just so it doesn't look too simple. You can also sew it in if you want, but because I was going to lose this in the next 2 days, I didn't want to do too much. Got this hairspray the last time I went to the market, and it really helps with holding down the hair for a longer time. Maybe not so long. I do have a strong hair though, so it might be the reason. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If this was helpful, please do not forget to like, share, and let me know if you tried it, because I definitely want to see the results and how it turned out. And please, please, please subscribe so you'll be the first to see my next video. On here, I post about hair, makeup, and a sprinkle of vlogs, and they are all interesting. So make sure you subscribe and turn up the post notification bell for my next video. Bye.